Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by entering 1 to 5 terms and immediately choose the location and time window. This shapes every signal you see. Once done, pick a category and search type so trends compare like with like. Make sure to normalize phrasing, for example, singular versus plural, because Google Trends scales each term. Also, check for sudden spikes or zero values. Those tell you whether a topic is niche or broadly tracked. Now, focus on what the graph actually shows. The vertical axis is relative interest from 0 to 100, so peaks are comparative, not raw counts. You should hover each colored line to reveal exact dates and relative values. This helps you align events with spikes. Once that's clear, expand the subregion heat map to see where interest concentrates. This guides targeting decisions. Remember to compare consistent timeframes when matching multiple terms for valid inferences. Finally, export the CSV to validate findings and combine trends with Search Console or Analytics for context. Once exported, change timeframe granularity to reveal seasonal cycles or short-term bursts, and use category filters to remove noise. If a term shows flat or missing data, try synonyms, expand the region, or lengthen the window. This often uncovers low-volume interest. If confusion remains, compare with a high-volume baseline term to see relative behavior and confirm your interpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.